Us with those details. While slamming leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi for his baseless statements on the functioning of public sector banks under the Modi government, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has said that public sector banks were treated like ATMs for their cronies and shady businessmen during the Congress-led regime. These statements surfaced right after Rahul Gandhi earlier accused the centre of turning public sector banks into private financiers for only the rich and powerful corporations. This is the latest update we are tracking for you from the political front, where Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has slammed the leader of opposition. Mehndi Garg is joining us for more on this story. Mehndi, take us through the details of what the Finance Minister has said while slamming the leader of opposition.
That's not the big deal.
Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has hit out at Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, accusing him of, baseless statements on India's public sector banks. And also Rahul Gandhi in an X platform has alleged that the public sector banks are being forced to prioritize profit over people and are thus unable to serve the public effectively. This is the post that Rahul Gandhi has done on his X platform. And not only this, Rahul Gandhi has also mentioned that how public sector banks were designed to give every Indian access to credit, and also he accused the Modi government for turning these lifelines of the masses into private financiaries for only the rich and powerful corporations. And on these comments, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has hit out over comments, and countering his comments, Sitharaman has also said that India's banking sector, especially the PSBs, witnessed a remarkable turnaround under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership. And not only this, she also taking to her X platform, she also mentioned that how didn't the people who met with the LOP tell him that high concentration of corporate credit and indiscriminate lending during UPA tenure had resulted in significant deterioration in the health of PSBs. These are the comments of Nirmala Sitharaman. And also she mentioned that how under INC India, when Congress was in the rule, PSBs were treated as ATMs for their cronies and also shady businessmen. Nirmala Sitharaman has mentioned that how the UPA regime, when bank employees were harassed and forced to give loans to cronies through phone banking, and also by the Congress-led UPA government functionaries, didn't the people who met the LOP tell him these things? And also talking about the Prime Minister Modi's government, she mentioned that how Modi government has initiated the 4R strategy and other reforms in the banking sector, and how the people who are meeting Rahul Gandhi are not telling him that in the last 10 years, the PSBs has been supported through recapitalization of rupees 3.26 lakh crores. So yes, after the comments of Rahul Gandhi, Nirmala Sitharaman has taken a drive at Rahul Gandhi's comment. Yes, Adel.
Stay with us. Now, while speaking at an event in Jaipur,